What is up, gang? Yep, nope. Basically, you know, check out the new update. Very much new. Totally didn't come out yesterday or something. Totally didn't miss the lab. Totally seen it all. Yeah, I've seen nothing about this update. Like, genuinely. I'm gonna go check that out. Also, stocked up on some butt coins. Bought the bundle. Not too bad. Just need those butt coins. Anything new here? Not gonna buy these yet. Oh yeah. What is this? Zone copy? Yeah, not mine. I'm gonna check out what that is. Probably some stuff on the other tech webs. Let's see, anything on this tech web. A chainsaw? Is that a chain? It is. Whoa. Oh, it breaks. Oh, I'm breaking my whole map. It breaks like it breaks solid blocks. I'm gonna stop destroying my map now. I have to finally buy the brittle block. Needing this for a while. It's now testing time. Yay! Yeah. Alright. So, already seen the chainsaw. Pull that part. It turns on. I can break wooden blocks. Oh, found it. Zone copy. Wait. No way. You actually, like, copy all parts now. Give me a sec. I'm gonna do this in another map because if I paste it in and it destroys my entire thing, I will not be very happy. I just threw my controller. Or I'm actually gonna test it with Zone Copier now. But I'm gonna build something to copy. Does not look like Steve. Place that down, no. Place it like there, no. But what, how do I like copy that? Wait. I can grab onto this corner. Grab. I copied that. Does that mean I go over here? No, then I paste it. Yes! Yeah! I made a Steve army. I love this block. I'm gonna go see if there's any other new stuff. Yeah. I still have a bunch of props to buy. It's way too expensive. Rat. Green rat. Purple panda. Brown sheep. Pig. Ooh, oh, you can buy the... I'll need to check the purple tech web. That's very much the name. How did I miss this? Oh, it's just a map from when they first had the Community World Tech Web, or the Community World thing, Tech Web. Guess I'm gonna go check the Music Tech Web now, and the Purple Tech Web. Still don't know what it's called. Alright, I'm here now. Does it tell me what the name of this tech web is? Pretty sure it's a medieval tech web, so I'm gonna call it the medieval tech web. Probably what it's called. Don't worry guys, I found it. Right. These, don't know if they're new. I might buy this for no reason at all. Tech web. Yeah.
Oh yeah. That sounded so weird.
Alright. Pretty sure half of that, or half of this video had nothing to do with the new update. I've not played Yeeps. Solid. Weak. Oh my god, that's so loud. No! I've not played Yeeps in like a solid week. I just wanted to wait for a very good time to record. Alright. Hope you enjoyed, bro. But for now, I'll smell you later.